Discovering what flies off the shelves on eBay is your secret weapon to unlocking serious profit. Let's dive into finding those hot eBay items with a three-pronged strategy. First, we'll arm ourselves with market research. Think about your own interests and passions. What do you know? Well, this is a fantastic starting point because you'll have an inherent understanding of the products. Next, leverage eBay's own tools. Use the search bar and look for recently sold items. This shows you what people are actually buying, not just what's listed. Filter by category and look for items with a high number of sales and good prices. Now, let's talk trend analysis. Use tools like Google Trends to see what keywords are gaining traction. If a product is trending upwards, it's likely to be in demand. Think about seasonal items, emerging technologies, or even viral fads. Finally, competitor analysis is crucial. Once you've identified a potential niche, see what other sellers are doing. Look at their pricing, their descriptions, their photos, and most importantly, their sales volume. Identify gaps in the market. Can you offer a better price, a more unique bundle, or a better selling experience? By combining these research, trend, and competitor analysis techniques, you'll be well on your way to finding profitable products to sell on eBay and become a successful seller.